So Big Zulu has dropped a diss track dissing uDangen no-MT. So uDangen has been dissing Big Zulu like for a long time. Ever since Big Zulu dropped that diss track apha dissa khona ese-hip hop yonke with KO no-Kwesta abaphendula kuyo. Like uDangen has been dissing Big Zulu style after that. He's been like dissing him over and over again. So first uDangen replied with one song. And then after that song, he kept on like making more songs, dissing Big Zulu again and again and again.
Lama rapper phume rank mana yafatuza nokugcwalisa super 16 kuyabashula 8 bars then emva kwalokho seniyacula baningi abafetha baphenduka ama-puppet wabo ukuthi banemali mina never bangilawula. I'm a one-man army ngifika qathatha bangifikele nama-beef lapho ngavele ngaba business minded bafana ngase ngithenga iplus i-beef kimi lethi inkulu mani ingangoqatha ngeke sibuso fam Julia kule rap ngafa mina bro yangibhayisikele musekeni enemy angifune nizwe ngamahebezi bafike kule game kwanuka impepho nanentelezi mtsheleni ulaki dube look alike angimnqeni ngibhala isitha sikhalo sizwa sibamba ngasenhlizweni ngisasehuye lo sikhotheni obhala amavesi emhosheni mina irap ngizoyivusa mina irap ngizoyivusa ukula siyasha mina irap ngizoyivusa mina irap ngizoyivusa.
So yeah, uDangen kept on making these disses like these. Right, this thing came out a long time ago. But Big Zulu was quiet. And then uDangen dropped a song last week or some time ago. Last week or 2 weeks ago, he dropped a song called 200 Bars. Right. Then Big Zulu naye ke ngoku he dropped a song called 200 Bars also. As a response, I guess, to la 200 Bars kaDangen. And then on this 200 Bars, Big Zulu disses MT. He includes MT. Includes MT because MT has been talking about Big Zulu with Insta Live, saying Big Zulu cannot make hits and whatnot. So Landuka Big Zulu disses MT. I don't know why this is MT though. Because MT said he'd never diss uDangen. I don't know why uDangen Ulanduka man, I mean Big Zulu disses MT, but Big Zulu did diss MT. I don't know why MT for sure is going to go Insta Live and respond there for sure. You know the dog. Yeah, hustler man. You already know. So yeah, uDangen for sure. uDangen once Big Zulu mentioned igama lakhe, izoshuba baba. And I haven't listened to that Big Zulu diss track, so I have to listen to it. But yeah, that's how the beef started. I don't know why Big Zulu disses MT. I don't know how MT will respond. Tell me how you think MT should respond. Dangen for sure will respond. So yeah, it's lit. Like, comment, subscribe for more updates on this ish.
Lama rapper phume rank mana yafatuza nokugcwalisa super 16 kuyabashula.